So here's the latest addition to modeling RF with buildings in downtown. I was located right here about with the transmitter, and so this building was blocking Alaska. This building definitely could reflect. I've already got the Alcoa tower in the model, but this building, on the other hand, probably does not matter. And so I find out that it is 1557. I come over here, and with the new layer panel class that I had GPT-5 build for me earlier this week, I can click it, and it's gone. Likewise, 543, don't need it, gone. 548, out. And 554, also out. And then let's get the, I don't think the Hyatt over here, and that is in fact the Hyatt, you can tell, because it's trying to have stair steps. Anyway, I don't think the Hyatt right here is going to matter either. So that's 370. It's going to be the one that's kind of hard to find. Nope, it's not. Let's go ahead and pop it out. And so the next step after this will be to, once I've got it down to just buildings that really actually matter, which is probably going to be the set right here, I will wire back in the save to CesiumJS logic and start building this into the RF maps. Okay, everybody, have a good afternoon.
Dun 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 Toucan Radios!
Woo!
Oh yeah!
Oh.